Hi guys, today I'm recording with my voice for the instructions because you guys seem to like it that way. Today we're going to grow mint, and we want them to be available all the time in the house. Then this is the best way you can have it. It's easy to manage. Yeah, so we need a regular water bottle and then a thread or a ziplock. We also have the mint as well as our medium to planting. Yes, but I'm using the cocoa peat here. Yes, so we start first of all by you open the bottle so that you'll be able to have air in and out of it, and then you leave a space up here, regular space. So you cut up a space here, which we'll be using as a means of watering the plants, and then also that's where we'll be using to transfer our planting medium into the bottle. Yes, that's how we're going to do it. But how are we going to get the plants to stick into the bottles? This is how we go about it. You cut a straight line and then you do sort of a triangle. So you see, you make it a triangular way, and then I'll do 3 on one line, and then I'll do about 3 rows. So the first line, straight line, you tilt your cutter, and then you have your triangle made. So we have 3 holes on one line. So we're going to do another one here, but it's not going to be on the same line as the ones we did. We're going to let it fall in between. So again, we cut a straight line, we do it. That's how we're going to go about it. This method allows you to have mint always available. Mint is such that there are a lot of plants that fall under the mint category, but this is the peppermint, and what happens is that you can use it for your tea, you can use it for your salads, you can use it for your food as spices, all that. So I will end down here. I won't go below this line, and I'll tell you the reason why by the end of the video. I'll tell you the reason why you don't go down here, because this is supposed to be easy maintaining. You should be able to maintain it easily. It shouldn't force you to wake up and then go looking at your plant, watering and all that. It should be easy, very easy to maintain. So that's how come we are using this method instead of the regular pots and then soil. So there you have it. This is it. Now what I'm going to do is make sure I get my medium in here. So this is the cocoa peat. It's quite easy because the cocoa peat is able to hold water than the regular soil. Cocoa peat is very good and also has some amount of nutrients that support your plants. So since you're going to have this probably in your kitchen, hanging somewhere in your kitchen, hanging anywhere around your house, and then also in a shade, that's what I would advise. You always keep it under a shade, not directly in the sun. I'm tapping it because I want the cocoa peat to settle, so that when water goes in, it wouldn't mean that it drops down drastically, although I can still add up. Yeah. So now I have enough of the cocoa peat in my bottle. Let's go work on our mint. There's the mint plant. We're doing our cuttings. I want my mint plant to need minimum nutrients to grow in the initial stages as much as possible. So I'm cutting a lot of the leaves off so that most of the nutrients will go working on a few parts. Yes, so this is good. This is good. Let's cut off all these going off, all these going off. I like this cutter. It makes life easy as a gardener. It's good. It will be good if you get one, a regular one. You don't need any special kind, just a regular inexpensive one, and you are good to go. So I'm going to cut about 9 of these because we have, you can also use your hands as well, just, and you're done. Yeah, you do it that way. It's quite faster and easy, but if you don't want to, yeah, you can just use your, yeah. So now we have leaves, cartons ready. We needed 9 of them, so okay, we got 10, but that's fine. Now this is our bottle ready. It's strong enough, so you go into the holes that you made, you tilt it upwards into the medium. And I used the cocoa pits because also it's easy to slide it in. It's easy to kind of slide your your cartons into your cocoa pits. Yes, so I tilt the plant in the direction that will be easy. It will be easy for it to grow without obstructing each other. Even if they do, you always cut to use them, so why not? Yeah, so we have one. See how this one is tilted downwards, so I manage it in a way that it faces upwards. Yeah, so you direct as you insert your plants, you direct them in the directions that you want them to grow towards. Although yes, they will definitely grow towards the light. We have 3 down here, 3 in between, and 3 upwards. So we are done. Now as we are done, all that we need is to be able to get water. So let me grab something here for water. I have water readily by me, so I don't have issues. Let me just water. Okay, so now I'll tell you why we didn't cut down here. As we water, you can pour your water here, you can pour it here. But as you water, what happens is that it goes down and then most of your water settles down here. So always you leave about half of the space you left here, you filled with water, and your cocoa pit is going to absorb the water anytime it's needed, and your plants, the roots of your plants, are always going to get enough water. Yes, that is how this system works. So my water is about this level now. It's gradually going to drain down. The water that is not needed up there will drain down and then settle down. So you can see now it's here, it's gradually coming up. So for the first time I will fill it well. So this can be done, and in a week you water again. You don't need to be watering with this system all the time. Now let's prep our system such that we'll be able to hang it. I'm using the regular rope depending on the height which you'll be hanging it, so you cut accordingly. And you can hang it, and then now you just use a zip tie to tie it up here, or you can use the same rope to go around it and then you tie. That's also easy. So that's how you have that's it. You always have your mint available in your kitchen, always. Please don't forget to subscribe so I can make more videos for you. Thank you.